Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Let's see what is in the news. Asia's first sighting of light mantle albatross, a species native to the Antarctic Sea, was recorded in Rameshwaram and adjoining islets of the Gulf of Mannar. The finding directs the researchers to look for the bird's migration away from the well-known and established routes and sites. The light-mantled albatross, also known as the grey-mantled albatross or the light-mantled sooty albatross, they spend most of their lives in the flight. A juvenile may spend many years at the sea before returning to the breed. Let's understand the reasons for their migration. As per the expert, the changes in the wind pattern triggered by the global warming are bringing a strange bird to our region. Increasing in atmospheric temperature, birds like albatross that are known to be on the move use the wind and save their energy during flights. Even slight changes in the temperature can cause drastic changes in the wind pattern, and birds could land in faraway places that are not familiar to them. These are also in the near threatened list of IUCN. Alibag in the Raigad district of Maharashtra got the GI tag for its white onion that is known for its sweetness. GI tag gives a unique identity to the white onion which has medicinal qualities and is being cultivated in a traditional way for a very longer period of time. What is geographical indication? The GI is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possesses quality or a reputation that are due to that origin. In order to function as a GI, a sign must identify a product as originating in a given place. It is a part of intellectual property right that comes under the Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Properties. Let's understand what is the case with the India. Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 governs the GI tag in India. It is issued by the Geographical Indication Registry, Chennai. The items covered are spirit drinks, handicraft, industrial products, agricultural products, and foodstuffs. The tenure for the registration is valid for the 10 years, but it can be renewed from time to time for a further period for the 10 years each. The 15th President of India, Draupadi Murmu, assumed office with a Johar. That is a greeting to the country. Johar, which essentially means salutation and welcome, is used within the tribal communities of Jharkhand and in parts of Chhattisgarh and Orissa. According to several tribal leaders from the Jharkhand, the word Johar also means the paying respect. July that's observed as the World Hepatitis Day every year. The theme for this year is bringing hepatitis care closer to you. What is hepatitis? Hepatitis refers to an inflammatory condition of the liver that is caused by a variety of infectious virus and non-infectious agents, leading to a range of health problems, sometimes that can be very fatal. The causes by a group of viruses known as the liver-directed hepatropic viruses that includes A, B, C, D, and E. The other reasons are consumption of alcohol and other toxins, fatty liver, autoimmune system response. The treatment for hepatitis A and E are self-limiting disease. That means that can go by their own and require no specific antiviral medication. But for hepatitis B and C, effective medications are available. India will be one of 72 Commonwealth Games associations that will be participating in the Commonwealth Games 2022, also known as Birmingham 2022. Women T20 cricket, 3:3 basketball, and 3:3 wheelchair basketball will all make their game debut. Double Olympic medalist badminton PV Sindhu will be the flag bearer for the Indian continent for the opening ceremony of the Commonwealth Games. This year event featured the largest number of events for women 136 and para sports athlete 42 in games history. What is Commonwealth Games? Commonwealth Games quadrennial international multi-sports event contested by athletics from the Commonwealth of Nations. The Commonwealth Games are managed by the Commonwealth Games Federation based in London, England. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited and Bharat Broadband Network Limited merger has been approved by the cabinet. This merger will boost the fiber asset under BSNL. It will help in boosting 4G performances in the rural area. The National Anti-Doping Bill passed in the Lok Sabha. National Anti-Doping Agency NADA has been performing anti-doping measures as per the World Anti-Doping Agency norms. It was felt that legislative powers were lengthy to stop doping. The bill would help in establishing a robust independent mechanism for anti-doping adjudication. The bill also would lend legal sanctity to the functioning of the NADA and National Dope Testing Laboratory. Let's see what is NADA and WADA. NADA, that is National Anti-Doping Agency, is responsible for promoting, coordinating, and monitoring the doping control program in sports in all its form in India. Currently, anti-doping rules in India are implemented by National Anti-Doping Agency, which was established as the society. WADA, that is World Anti-Doping Agency, was established in 1999 under the International Olympic Committee. WADA is recognized by the UNESCO International Convention Against Doping in Sports 2005. WADA's primary role is to develop harmonies and coordinate anti-doping regulation across all sports and countries. So, this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to hit like button and also comment your valuable feedback. Also, do subscribe our channel on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any updates. Thank you and see you tomorrow.